Your new Panamera can be optionally equipped with a passenger screen. You can change or adjust your passenger screen through the Settings menu. Select Settings, Displays, Passenger Display. Here you have brightness. We can adjust the brightness depending on your liking for the passenger screen. You can change what is displayed in standby mode. Let's go into standby mode now. You can do that by checking that box. The other possibility is media, and it will show what is currently playing. If you would like to turn the passenger display off entirely, you'll check this box. You can turn back on the passenger display by touching the display itself. The passenger screen was designed so that the driver can't see it. As we slide into the passenger seat here, you'll notice that it is completely visible to the passenger. Now we're here in the passenger seat. Let's take a look at the passenger display. There's a wide variety of things you have to choose from that you can view, edit, change, or monitor. Let's look at navigation. You can adjust navigation and search for new destinations. This would be great if you're a passenger looking for a lunch stop on a long road trip. You also have media. As you can see here, you have your full media library available to you. And if they are not available there, you can change and adjust in this manner. Just like on the PCM. If you would like to change the phone that's used here, you can do this. It will ask for authorization from the driver, and you can search for a new device, connect a new device if needed.